Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make some beautiful dry fried spicy potatoes. Nothing to it. So in my pan, I'm starting off with some oil. I'm using coconut oil. You don't have to use coconut oil. Change that if you want. I've got about a heaped tablespoon there. We're on an above medium heat. I'm melting that down, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're going to spin that around in the hot oil. That will infuse the oil, give it a lovely, lovely flavour. And then next up, what we're going to do is add our potatoes. I've got 3 cups of potatoes in total. Now what I've done is I've peeled them and I've cut them really quite small. Because they're raw, they're going to cook a little bit easier. The bigger, the longer it takes. So let's go with those potatoes for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then next up, what we can do is we can add in 1 cup of onions. The onions, again, what I've done is cut them roughly the same as the potatoes. So there's quite a lot of stirring with this dish. What we're going to do next is add some salt to taste. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and we're going to add fresh chili to taste. You can chop them really small or make them quite big. That's up to you. Let's get some spices in there. The spices I'm using today are a teaspoon each. I've got turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder. If you wanted, you could add cumin powder to this as well. We're going to spin this around and spin this around now, maybe 5 or 6 minutes. We want the powders to get all their colours onto the potatoes and kind of cook down, even slightly burned. You know what I mean? A little bit of charring on it. I think it's really beautiful. We're nearly done. Like I say, it's so simple. So right at the end, 1 kind of small tomato, fresh tomato, just give it a little bit of moisture. We're going to spin that in. Absolutely wonderful. This is great as a side dish, or if you want, like me, I like it with some paratha or with some roti. It's as simple as that. Really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.